Hi everyone, this is a crochet coin pouch. I am using in this pouch this cotton thread and five color of cotton thread. And this is a very beautiful and unique pattern of granny pouch, and you can make this beautiful coin pouch for your loved ones. Let us start how to make this crochet pouch. First make one slip knot. Make 5 chains. This is a foundation chains, and make one slip stitch and make one ring and make 2 chain, sorry, count as a first half DC stitch, make 3 half DC stitch, then 1 chain, 3 half DC stitch, then 1 chain, 3 half DC stitch, 1 chain. You repeat this stitch 4 times and join it with slip stitch. Here I have made the first round. For second round, attach next color yarn and make 2 chain and make 2 more half DC stitch, then 1 chain and 3 more half DC stitch in the same space, then 1 chain and skip next 3 stitches. Go to the next space and make 3 half DC, 1 chain, 3 more half DC in the same space. You repeat it in this round. Now for third round, make another color yarn, attach another color yarn and make 2 chain, count as a first half DC stitch, make 2 more half DC stitch in the space and 1 chain. Go to the corner space and make 3 half DC stitch, 1 chain, 3 more half DC stitch in the same space, and you repeat this squares 2 more times. This is 5 round squares I have made for my granny pouch. I have made 3 same squares for pouch. Make same size, same shape, same size of 3 squares. And now I am making one triangle, granny triangle. So make 5 chains, 4, 5, and join it with slip stitch. Then 2 chain, count as a first half DC stitch, make 2 more half DC, the same ring, and make 1 chain, make 3 half DC stitch, then 1 chain and 3 more half DC stitch, then 1 chain, and join it with slip stitch. Join it with slip stitch. This is a first round I have completed. Now cut your extra yarn and go to the next round. Go to the space and make 3 half DC stitch, then 1 chain, then 3 more half DC stitch in the same space, then 1 chain, go to the next space and make 3 half DC, 1 chain, 3 half DC. Skip the next 3 stitches, go to the next space and make 3 half DC and 1 chain, 3 half DC stitch, then 1 chain and join it with slip stitch. This is a triangular shape, and now go to the next round and go to the corner space and make 3 half DC, 1 chain, 3 more half DC, repeat it. Make 2 granny triangle, yes, and 3 granny squares, and then join it together in this way.